Good morning, farm fam. It's Brian back at Bidwell Canyon Farm. Such a beautiful day at the farm. We have so many projects going on. We just smashed the on-farm record for milk production, and I have a feeling it's because I've been singing this little tune to our mama goat Melina, and it goes like this. Let it go, let it go, let your milk drop down and flow. And I think that's really the reason that we busted the record. So if you guys want to try it, it really works. If you guys are into the milk production scene, sing it to the cows, sing it to the goats, because it works, man. The juice is boosting. Here we are at the Bidwell Canyon Farm junk heap. Isn't she beautiful? I've been accumulating this junk for a long time. It's about time to make something out of it. And I kind of set aside a pile of parts that I thought would look really cool as a Robo-Droid, a fully automated AI farm bot. If you're into it, maybe you could help me build it. Hi Penny, you want to help build a farm bot? We might even have to do a little Robo-Dog, huh? Oh, there's another Robo-Dog. Hi Lulu. Hi Lou. Hi sweetie. Hi. These are my real farm helpers. Oh yeah. Whoa. So anyway, let's gather some pieces and parts and take them in the shop and sculpt a AI Robo-Droid farm bot helper.
Looks like a good robo part. Armor leg. It's all seized up. Perfect. Chest plate. Ooh, that's cool. Roadmaster Junior. Ooh, that could be a foot, robo foot. Ooh, dang. Oh, it even turns a little. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. That could definitely be a robo part. Arm. Oh, even works. Shoulder with an arm, perhaps. Ooh, that's cool. That looks like a little slug or a turtle head or something. Speaking of turtle, yeah. Beautiful. Another little turtle part or a boob. Oh, definitely a robo hand. Just some stock. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, another little snail or turtle or slug. It's cool. Kind of an old part, maybe a chest plate or a backpack or something. Oh, what's that? Ooh, neat. Ooh, that's gonna be his head. Oh, Myers. I think we have a name for our robot. Myers the farm bot. Perfect. Kind of looks like a Rocketeer. That's really cool. Okay, definitely a leg or a. Oh yeah. Oh dang, that's heavy. Chest piece or a backpack maybe. Ooh, gruesome. That could be a little toxic. Maybe asbestos or something. We'll be careful with that. Definitely wear a mask. Another foot. Okay. That might be part of Myers' legs or pelvis or something. That's cool. Ooh. Arm? What do you think? Arm or leg? Kind of a leg. Arm. See what we got. Oh, cool. Look at this. Hand or an arm. Definitely robo. Let's go into the shop and start making our droid.
forgot his other arm, his hand. I'm thinking little T-Rex. Yes, Myers, you have a question? Go ahead. Myers, have you no decency? Cover that up. Oh man, I'm excited to reveal Myers to you, but I can't. I have some bad news, guys. Can't reveal Myers to you. You're gonna have to subscribe to the channel. I'll wait. Go ahead, I'll wait. Take all the time you need, but you know. I'll show you Myers after you. Go ahead. No. Right down there. That's the one. Thank you for subscribing. Let me show you Myers. Oh! He's singing to his love. Myers, the fully automated robot. With square booty. The removable square booty. Oh my goodness. What else do you guys want me to add to him? I'm thinking of Bluetooth, and he's going to be fully automated, so he'll be helping me around the farm. He has this little T-Rex arm, which I just love. It's like, eh. He's fully kinetic. He's got this spring-loaded spine. So when he's out in the wind, he'll just be wiggling around out there. I mean, he's not like super... Yeah, it's kind of wiggly. He is alive. He is alive. Well, Farm Fam, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me at Bidwell Canyon Farm. Myers was a real pleasure to work with today. I love the process of kind of laying out those parts, selecting them out of the junk pile, and all the way through the build. It's really cool seeing something like this come together. And I think it'll add a lot of interest and brighten some people's day that are just passing by the farm. In the future, I'm going to be posting some content with Myers and myself on the farm, and that'll be in our subscribers only section. So please consider hitting that subscribe button down below and joining the Farm Fam. Might give you a little incentive to take the leap. I'm planning on inserting some Bluetooth Wi-Fi connectivity, and Myers will be helping me with some farm chores, watering, feeding and milking, things like that. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Shaka! What do you say, bro? Should we pack it in? What are you looking at, dude? Oh, Venus? Venus? Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, let's pack it in. Come on. Dude, yeah, it's pretty. Come on, bro. Come on, let's go. Come on, Myers. Oh, come on, Myers. Let's pack it in, bro. Oh man, what have you been eating, bro? What have you been eating, man? Oh, geez, you're heavy.